Go on, Bon, back arching. What? Oh, on, Bon, you're going to ruin this.
Wow! Pick it up!
Not too
There's your first egg.
Not too much volume, Mummy. It's still about
Give it to
7:30 in the
Mum.
morning.
Right. Now, let's see if we can find... Can you find another one? Have a look. No, not in there.
Come this way.
Over this way. Okay, go and have a look. Quick. Where are they? I can see another one. Where are those eggs? Quick. No. Missed one. Look there. Look on On's thing. That's it. There's one. Get to Mum. Where's another one? It was on the flower? Right, what about over here? What about in this section over here? Well done! Yeah. That's it. Watch your head. Well done. Now one over there. One over that area that you missed. You jiggle.
I can't jiggle and keep the camera still.
Yes! Fantastic. One more. Let's see. I think there's 2 more. Oh no, there's 3 more. In this area. Can you find one? That's it! Well done! That was a bit harder, wasn't that? There's 2 more. One in this area. That's it! Well done! And there's 1 more over here. Keep your eyes peeled. Hold nose. Over that way a bit. Yeah? No, you missed it.
Isla, have a look on Bon's thing. On the ring.